Well, hello there, welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to talk about sequential or flowing light effect indicators, or turn signal lights, or blinkers, like some people call them. So, first of all, we've got the stock looking shape, the ones that look just like the ones that were fitted to the car originally, except they are smoked. They're darker, they're tinted, and obviously they're sequential. And then number two, we've got these a bit smarter looking ones. They look a bit more aerodynamic, let's say that. The same smoked design and flowing lights. And third, we've got these rounded shapes. Some people like these as well. They're not too bad. It depends maybe on your vehicle. So these three will fit the Insignia, but they also fit Corsas, Zafiras, Astras, Meriva, all sorts of Opels, to be honest. Opels or Vauxhalls. And as a bonus, I've even heard of people using these Volkswagen Golf wing mirror blinkers and modifying the wing mirror of a Vauxhall to fit these blinkers. So if you feel like you can do that, some people have managed to do it, so I don't know, you can try it as well. Anyway, links in the description. If you want to buy any of these products, let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe if you found this valuable. Thanks for watching. Bye!